Yes. Good morning, everyone. I am Rashmi Kapoor from Lial Public School. So, students, today our topic is application writing, and after that, we will discuss as a sound topic. Okay, so let's start the application writing. So, student, before we start the application writing. So, there are some points to remember. The application form has to be written by the student to the principal. So therefore, it is very important for the student to choose the right words while writing the application. Every word in the application should require yes as show request and manner. Now the first and necessary step to write an application form, its format. Okay, student, it is very important. If it's when an writing application, it is a format. If the format is correct, everything will be clearly understand. As soon as you see your application form, you will also like to read your application form. So now let's start the format. Okay. So now this is the format of an application. When you write the application, you have to know about the things. The first one is here sender address. Okay, student. So first you have to write the sender address. Clear. सेंडर मीन्स कौन होता है स्टूडेंट? जो बेचने वाला होता है. जब हम किसी को हम एप्लीकेशन भेज रहे हैं, मान लीजिए मैं एप्लीकेशन आपको दे रही हूँ, मैं आपको एप्लीकेशन दे रही हूँ, मैं स्कूल में एज ए मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ और स्कूल में एज ए एप्लीकेशन स्कूल में एज ए सेंड कर रही हूँ. तो जब मैं एप्लीकेशन भेज रही हूँ, एप्लीकेशन जब भी मैं लिखूंगी, तब मुझे सबसे पहले अपना एड्रेस लिखना है. यस, दिस इज द first is here we have to mention the sender address. Now after that you have to write the date. Okay, so the format of this date is here April 23rd, 2021. Okay, so here this is a format of an application. Now if you can write here also 23rd April 2021, so you can write the format. Now after that you have to write the authority name. Authority name means yes, the principal. You can write the headmaster, headmistress. Okay, and that given in their question. Okay, now next is here institute name. yes, which means school name. जो भी स्कूल का जो नेम है हमको वो मेंशन करना है. Now next is here institute address. Yes, school address. When we write an application to the principal, so after that we have to write as a school name. I'm giving you example. Firstly you have to write the principal, and after that we have to write as a school name Lial Public School. Then after that you have to write the institute address. जो institute का जो address, school का जो भी address है, you have to write as a Bikaner. Clear? Now next is here salutation. Yes, you write as a respected sir or ma'am. Salutation. Now what is salutation? Salutation is the way of greeting someone whom we are writing the application. ओके, हम जिसको हम एप्लीकेशन जो हम राइट कर रहे हैं, एप्लीकेशन जब लिख रहे हैं, so here we write respected sir or respected ma'am. Clear? Now next is an important part of the application. Yes, the body of application. Yes, student, the body of application, the first thing we should write in this application is the introduction. Clear? Now in the introduction we can mention our name, class and section. It is important to have necessary information while writing the application. देखिए, जो एप्लीकेशन का जो बॉडी पार्ट होता है, उसके अंदर सबसे पहले जरूरत ये होती है कि हमको अपना नाम, क्लास और सेक्शन हमको क्या करना है, मेंशन करना है. सेकंड थिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव नेसेसरी इंफॉर्मेशन व्हाइल राइटिंग द एप्लीकेशन. जब हम एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हैं तो उसकी जो नेसेसरी जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो हमको देनी है. नाउ एप्लीकेशन आल्सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट द इंफॉर्मेशन रिटन करेक्टली. ओके, जो इंफॉर्मेशन हम दे रहे हैं, जो भी हम कुछ लिख रहे हैं, वो क्या होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल सही होनी चाहिए. सेकंड थिंग इज द रीजन. ओके, the first thing you have to mention your class name, mention and write the application, your reason of your when you write the application, why it is a this is a reason. So second thing is here the student should write the reason for leave the application. लीव इन द एप्लीकेशन। क्लियर, जो भी आप रीजन लिख रहे हैं स्टूडेंट को ये रीजन अपना मेंशन करना है एप्लीकेशन में कि यस यू हैव टू राइट योर रीजन इन द एप्लीकेशन प्रॉपर्ली। Every word in the application should show the request and manner. जो प्रत्येक वर्ड जो भी हम एप्लीकेशन में लिखेंगे वो क्या शो करेगा, रिक्वेस्ट or manner. So children, we should mention the specifically for which you are requesting to leave the base of the application should be mentioned. Clear student? And the application should be to the point. हमको नहीं एप्लीकेशन लॉन्ग नहीं करनी है, जो भी पॉइंट है, फी कंसेशन की एप्लीकेशन है, 3 डे लीव है, 1 डे लीव है, तो आपको जो भी एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है आपको ओनली यू हैव टू राइट टू द पॉइंट। ओके, एट द एंड ऑफ द बॉडी, व्हेन द बॉडी एंड, जब हमारी जो बॉडी जो पार्ट है हमने अपना रीजन लिख दिया एप्लीकेशन का, सो नाउ at the end of the body of the application you should thank whom, them. Clear? Okay, thanking you. Clear student? The next is subscription. Subscription, you should write your obediently. Okay, you have to write as here yours obediently, then write your name, class and section. So student, this is the way to write then application. Yes, this is the format of the application. So like this format you have to write your application. Okay, so don't change this format. Okay, you have to write according to their format. Now application question is here, number 1. Yes student, you know very well, this is in your board exam. This question as an application question will come. Yes, you have an urgent piece of work at home. आपको अपने घर पे अर्जेंट काम है, जरूरी काम है. You cannot go to school. तुम स्कूल नहीं जा सकते. Write an application to your headmaster, headmistress to grant you 3 day leaves. अब आपको एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है जिसमें आप अपने हेडमास्टर, देखिए एप्लीकेशन में क्वेश्चन में ही हेडमास्टर या हेडमिस्ट्रेस मेंशन किया है. सो इन दिस फॉर्मेट व्हेन वी राइट टू एप्लीकेशन, द प्रिंसिपल की जगह हमको हेडमास्टर या हेडमिस्ट्रेस मेंशन करना है. क्लियर? टू ग्रांट यू 3 day लीव्स, अब आपको मांगनी है, परमिशन लेनी है 3 दिन की. क्लियर? आपको 3 दिन की लीव चाहिए, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या चाहिए, ग्रांट यू 3 day लीव्स, 3 दिन की परमिशन चाहिए. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द एप्लीकेशन. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अकॉर्डिंग टू अ फॉर्मेट ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन. Yes, firstly you have to write sender address. Okay, now sender address is there 18 Naya Marg. Now you have to write as your name, yes, Barmer. Now after that you have to mention the date as like that 23rd April 2021. Okay, now you have to write like this, April 23rd, comma 2021. Clear? Now after that you have to mention the principal. Now in this application you have in the question mention the your headmaster or headmistress, so you have to write headmaster oblique headmistress. Clear? Now before that, so after that, yes, you have to write government primary school. You have to mention the school address, Barmer. After that you have to write respected sir and ma'am. Okay, so you have to write, your option is given here. When you write application to headmaster, you mention respected sir. When you write a application of the headmistress, you have to write respected ma'am. Now let's start the body part of the application. I have an urgent work at my home. मुझे घर पर बहुत जरूरी काम है. So I cannot attend school. So मैं इसलिए स्कूल अटेंड नहीं कर सकता. Kindly grant me leave for 3 days. कृपया मुझे 3 दिन की छुट्टी देने की कृपा करें. Yes, क्या करें, परमिशन दे. So now with regards, we also use as a word thanking you. Okay, yours obediently, Ram Kumar, as mention your name, and after that you mention your class and section. So this is all about your application. So just like this you have to write an application. Clear students? So when you write an application, you start from the to the principal, Lial Public School, Bikaner. Okay, this is the format of your application writing. So now, so in the board exam, this format will come. इसी format के according आपको application लिखनी है. So format not change, format change नहीं होना चाहिए. When you change the format, your marks will be cut. Okay, so this is the format of your class, of your standard. Yes, you know very well according to a board exam. So I take this format from your according to a board exam. So in RBSC, so this format will come. You have to write the application in this format. So student, I hope you have to clear the application. Yes, this application related to urgent piece of work कि urgent आपको घर पर urgent काम है, आप स्कूल नहीं आ सकते, so इसलिए आप अपने हेडमास्टर को या हेडमिस्ट्रेस को 3 दिन लीव की आप एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है. So here this is the format. As a firstly you have to write sender name or sender address. After that you have mentioned date. After that you have mentioned, yes, here as the principal, authority name. After that institution name, and next is here you write institution address. After that you have to write salutation, respected sir and ma'am, and in the after that you have to write the body of application, in which two things very important. Firstly introduction, and second you give reason, and lastly you have to mention thanking you and subscription, yours obediently. After that you have mentioned your name, class and section. So this is all about your format of application. Clear student? So now let's start our today topic, sounds. Okay, so student, the sounds as a topic will come in your board exam. So let's practice these sounds. Okay, so now student, the question are given here as 4 words are given in question based on sound. देखिए 4 words आपको दिए गए होंगे क्वेश्चन बेस्ड, उसके अंदर जो 4 वर्ड्स है उसमें साउंड्स के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए होते हैं. ईच वर्ड हैज 1 or 2 अंडरलाइन लेटर. प्रत्येक वर्ड पे एक या दो वर्ड के नीचे अंडरलाइंड होती है. प्रत्येक वर्ड की हम बात करें उसमें जो लेटर्स होते हैं, एक या दो लेटर के नीचे क्या होंगे बेटा? अंडरलाइन. These underlined letters of 3 words have same sound. जो भी 3 वर्ड्स होंगे उसका तो क्या होगा? सेम साउंड होगा. While one word has different sound, लेकिन एक का साउंड क्या होगा? डिफरेंट होगा. The word which have different sound is the correct, या we can say as a wrong answer. Clear? तो सबसे जो डिफरेंट आंसर क्या होगा? जिसका साउंड उन 3 वर्ड्स से मैच नहीं करेगा, वही हमारा क्या होगा? आंसर होगा. Okay student, so now let's start the practice of sound firstly. Yes, here the example of sounds. Yes, let's start. Number 1 is here. You can see that the 4 options are given in the first. Yes, so here I am pronounce. Yes, student, please carefully. Now I am pronouncing the words. Now you have to notice. Then I am pronouncing. Now fool, FOOL, fool. Second is tool, TOOL, tool. Number third, COOL, cool, and last is here look, LOOK. So which different sound is here? Fool, tool, cool, look. So here different sound is here as a look. So our answer is here D, look. Now second one is here fear, FEAR, fear. TEAR, tear. Number third, clear, CLEAR, clear. And last is here teach, TEACH. The different sound is here in the 4 words. Yes, teach. I am repeating again. Fear, tear, clear, teach. Fear, tear, clear, teach. So different sound is here in this second option. Yes, teach. Now number third, yes, to, no, so, no. So देखिए नो और नो तो हमारा सेम साउंड आ रहा है. नो, नो जब हम प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं. सो, ओ का साउंड. लेकिन टू किसकी साउंड आ रही है? ऊ की साउंड आ रही है. तो डिफरेंट वर्ड इज हियर, डिफरेंट इज हियर, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट द ऑप्शन नंबर ए, टू. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? Okay, now let's start the exercise to related to this sound topic. Choose the word which has different sound of the underlined letter. हमको उस word को choose करना है जिसका क्या होगा, different sound होगा of the underlined letters. जो लेटर्स हमने अंडरलाइन कर रखे हैं उसमें अगर जो भी साउंड डिफरेंट होगा हमको वो चूज करना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. नंबर 1 इज हियर डीप, वीप, कैप्ट, कीप. सो डिफरेंट साउंड आपको नोटिस हो रहा है जब मैं प्रोनाउंस कर रही हूँ. आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग अगेन. डीप, वीप, कैप्ट, कीप. सो डिफरेंट साउंड इज हियर कैप्ट. ओके, नाउ सेकंड इज हियर स्लो, blow, loud, glow. Okay, I'm repeating again. Slow, blow, loud, glow. So different sound is here as a loud. Now number third is here bark, bark, arrow, dark. Bark, bark, arrow, dark. Different sound is here arrow. So थर्ड में आप जो आपका ऑप्शन सी है वो क्या हो गया, हम उसको चूज करेंगे, वो क्या है डिफरेंट साउंड. नंबर फोर्थ इज हियर पॉन्ड, बॉन्ड, फॉन्ड, मून. So different sound is here student. Moon. Why? I am repeating again. Pond, bond, fond, moon. So here different sound is here moon. Ooh, है ना sound क्या है? Sound क्या है? Different है. So here moon is here as we choose the word. Number fifth is here went, fainted, bent, mansion. I am repeating again. Went, faint. अब fainted है तो faint. अगर हम इसको इतना ही बोलेंगे faint, went, faint, bent, mansion. So here the wrong word is here as a mansion. Now number 6 is here soon, blonde, moon, noon. The different word is here as a bee, blonde. Soon, moon, noon. The different is here blonde. Number 7, felt, belt, melt, filthy. I am repeating. Felt, belt, melt, filthy. The different sound is here filthy. Okay, number 8, voice, nicely, choice, rejoice. Okay, so different sound is here nicely. Yes student, please repeat after me. Voice, choice, rejoice, and nicely is a different sound. Number 9 is here superior, manner, banner, planner. Here you notice manner, banner, planner, superior. So here different sound is here as a superior. Number 10 is here scope, flop, stop, shop. Here you notice flop, stop, shop. So here you notice the pronunciation flop, stop, shop, and scoop. Different sound is here as a scoop. Okay. Number 11 is here can, man, ask, when. So वापिस से हम pronounce करते हैं can, man, when, ask. So here different sound is here ask. Okay. Number 12 way, happy, hey, may. So देखिए way, hey, may. So तीनों sound same है. So different sound is here. Happy is a different sound. Happy, happy. Way, hey, may. Clear student? So next one is here number 13. Life, wife, knife, felt. So different sound is here. Life, wife, knife, felt. Felt is here different sound. Number 14. Flew, get, wet, met. So flew is here different sound. I'm repeating again. Get, wet, met. Flew. So here you notice the sound flew. So flew is here as a different sound. You choose A. Number 15. Come, home, none, some. So I'm repeating again. Come, home, none, some. Come, none, some. So क्या हो रहा है, pronounce क्या हो रहा है, same हो रहा है. And home क्या हो रहा है बेटा, different sound. We choose option B, home. Okay students, so here you notice that this is the sound exercise. You notice the 4 words are given in the question based on sound. Each word has 1 or 2 underlined letter. So these underlined letter of 3 words have same sound. अब आपने नोटिस किया है कि जो 3 words हैं उसमें तो क्या होगा बेटा, सेम साउंड होगा, और जो भी डिफरेंट साउंड है उसको हमको चूज करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ योर साउंड. ओके, so now I am giving you another practice. So yes, keep a pencil and copy with you. Okay, so now I am starting, I am pronouncing a sound. So yes, please write down in your copy. Okay, so I am starting the sound. Yes, the sound is here as holiday, stool, fool, school. देखिए, अब वापस प्रोनाउंस कर रही हूँ, stool, fool, school, holiday. The different sound is here as a holiday. Okay, the next one is here as a well, pillow, hell, smell. You notice my sound, student? Well, pillow, hell, smell. The choose a different sound. Yes, we choose a different sound as a pillow. So well, hell, smell. So same sound is here. Okay. Now next is here door, oral, floor, more. DOOR door, ORAL oral, FLOOR floor, and MORE more. So different sound is here as a oral. Okay, you noticing my sound? Oral, door, floor, more. So say different sound is here, oral. So oral is here as a different sound. Now next one is here as a ample, AMPLE. Yes student, please write down the word AMPLE, ample. Second one is here pleasure, PLEASURE, pleasure. Next one, number third option is here example, and next option is here as a temple. So you have to pronounce the word. Yes, you have to pronounce the word as ample, example, temple, and pleasure is a different sound. Okay, so you choose option B, pleasure. Okay student, now next sentence is here can man ask when. Can man ask when. So here different sound is here student as ask. Now second, next option is here modify good, would, stood. The different sound is here good, would, stood. Yes, the different sound is here, you noticing as a modify. Okay student, the next one is here gray, GREY. Yes, please note down gray, GREY. Gray, underline the Y. EYES, eyes, underline the Y. PREY, pray, underline the Y, and PRAY, pray. So here underline the Y. So different sound is here. I am repeating again. Gray, eyes, pray, pray. The different sound is here, student. Eyes, pray, or pray. Yes, the option is here as a eyes. So gray, pray, pray. The same sound or eyes is here as a different sound. Now next is here on, deal, deal, seal. Okay, so on, deal, deal, seal. The different sound is here. On is here as a different sound. Okay students, so I hope you have understood the sounds topic. So in this sound topic you have to write the, and you have to choose the different sound. When you pronounce the sound, you have pronounce it, the punctuation. Yes, we write as a pronunciation of the sound, you have to choose as a different sound. Let's practice again. Yes, number one is here fool, tool, cool, look. So here you notice the different sound. Fool, tool, cool, look. So look is here as a different sound. Next one is here fear, tear, clear, teach. Yes, student, please pronounce after me. Yes, once again, fear, tear, clear, teach. So here we have to write different sound. Is different is here teach. Okay. Number third, to, no, so, no. So here pronounce again. No, so, no. To, oo की sound आ रही है. So here we use as a different sound. We use option number 8. Now let's practice again. Now deep, weep, kept, keep. Yes, please raise your hand, student. Please you will tell me. Deep, weep, kept, keep. The different sound is here, student, as a kept. Now next one is here slow, blow, loud, glow. Okay, I am repeating slow, blow, loud, glow. Loud is here different sound. Okay, number third, park, bark, arrow, dark. So park, bark, dark. The same sound. Arrow is here different sound. Yes. Next one, pond, bond, fond, moon. So here different sound. I'm repeating fond, pond, bond, fond, moon. So different sound is here as a moon. Now number 5th, vent, fanted, bent, mansion. Vent, fanted, bent, mansion. So different sound is here as mansion. Number 6th, soon, blonde, moon, noon. Okay, student. Soon, moon, noon. The same sound. Blonde is here, different sound. Number 7, felt, belt, melt, filthy. Okay, so here we use as a different sound, filthy. Okay, number 8, voice, nicely, choice, rejoice. So here you use different sound, nicely. Why? Because you pronounce voice, choice, rejoice. Here we use as different sound, the option number B. Number 9, superior, manner, banner, planner. Okay, different sound is here. As if I'm repeating again, manner, banner, planner. Different sound, superior. Number 10, scoop, flop, stop, shop. Okay, so here the different sound, scoop, flop, stop, slop, flop, stop, shop, scoop. So here different sound, scoop. Okay, number 11, can, man, ask, when. So here different sound is here. We use as a choose option, ask. Different sound. Here I'm repeating can, man, ask, when. Okay, so ask is there, different sound. Number 12, way, happy, hey, may. So here different sound. Way, hey, may. Same sound. Happy is here, different sound. Number 13, life, wife, knife, felt. So here different sound. Felt. Wife, life, knife. Same sound. Okay. Number 14, flew, get, wet, melt. Get, wet, met, flew. Different sound. Okay. Choose the option number A. Number 15, come, home, none, some. So different sound is here, student. Come, home, none, some. Okay, so different sound is here. Home, none, some, come are the same sound. So this is all about your sound. So this is the practice of your sound, student. Okay.